Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh. Well, hello guys. Welcome again. We're back. We're back, and there's nothing that can be done about that. Welcome back. Happy Monday. Welcome to Advisory. I hope you guys had a good time with, or at least survived, family and friends over the break, and that you are well rested and ready for the next few weeks of school before the semester is out. Just to give you an idea of when that will be, we are on the 27th of November right now, and so we have 1, 2, 3 weeks until finals week or ACP's week, and then we are out for 2 weeks of Christmas break. So make sure you're getting your assignments in on time, going to tutoring before now and finals week so that you can prepare to finish the semester strong. Also new as you come back from Thanksgiving are the portables and room numbers that go out there. So we've done our third switcheroo when it comes to the construction in the building. So these teachers were in the portables and are now in their regular room numbers. So wherever you saw them at the beginning of the year, you will see them there again. So if you had a class out in the portables before Thanksgiving, they are now back in their regular room. And you can see that here. And these are the new teachers that will be out in the portables. All right, Richards, Britton, Nolasco, Hamill, Sales, Mitchell, and Wilson. A lot of math teachers. So if you have these teachers, you will meet in these rooms. And the portables, of course, are through the West Wing on the first floor, through the B-Tech area, and you can find them here. If you have Mr. Wilson, he is not out in the portables. He is in the library lab, which is the room right next to the library. If you're looking at the door, it's to the right of the door. So, sorry for the confusion this morning, but again, the word of the year is flexibility when it comes to construction. Okay, now that we have the logistics out of the way, I wanted to talk today, or at least start the conversation about bullying. This week, we're going to have some lessons that focus on bullying and focus on what it is and how to prevent it, what it looks like now versus how it used to look like, and how we can all pitch in to prevent bullying and to make people feel safe when they are here at school and outside of school. Classic examples of bullying are like physical violence or being mean as a group to one individual. But a lot of times these days, it feels like it can happen online where things happen in DMs and on different social media and texting services that don't often happen in the real world, but still have a very real effect. So today, I'm not going to talk at you. I'm not going to say a bunch of facts or anything like that. First, I wanted to get your perspective on bullying because as adults, we don't always have all of the correct information. To start the conversation, I want you guys to have a discussion as a class on what bullying is and what bullying looks like. There are going to be 3 questions that I'm going to ask you today, and I want you to, as you are talking about it, to fill out the form that I have linked on the next slide. This is totally anonymous. I'm not going to collect names or emails. I just want to hear the perspective from you about what bullying is and what bullying looks like, so we can be really clear moving forward on what the issues are and how to address them. So you will discuss these, and while you discuss them, I want you as an individual to write down your own answers in this form so that I can look at them and kind of get an idea of what the school thinks about bullying. The first question is, in your own words, write a definition of bullying and what does it look like in today's world. Notice I said in your own words. Don't copy and paste a definition from Google. I can do that, but I want to hear what you think bullying is. The next question is, what do you think causes people to bully others? What do you think are the root causes that cause people to be mean towards people or to point people out in a way that can be considered bullying? The last discussion question that you'll have as a group is, what do you wish adults would understand about bullying? There's definitely bullying that happens in the adult world, but when it comes to bullying in high school and as a teenager, a lot of the times adults are kind of clueless as to what is going on. And so what are the things that you wish adults would understand about modern day bullying, or what it looks like to be bullied or to bully in today's world? And the last question is not a discussion question, although you can discuss it if you want. But what do you want to know more about in regards to bullying? What are some of the things that you don't know or that you have questions about that I can maybe help answer in our advisory this week? And it's just for those 4 questions on the form. You don't have to write big, long paragraphs, although you can. I will read them. And I will discuss some of these questions and some of these answers throughout the week as we talk about this. So advisors, if you would go ahead and go to the next slide and begin that discussion. As you start discussing as a class, make sure you pull up this form. It can be found at bit.ly/WTWB lowercase ULLY. Or you can just scan this little code and it'll send you right to it. I look forward to seeing your answers. I want you to answer honestly and thoughtfully, and I hope you enjoy your discussion and the rest of your day today. Be good to yourself and others, and I'll see you real soon.